Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Dear student, hope you all are well. I am your assistant teacher for class 5 from IYS school. Kindly check your speaker that you are hearing me properly and listen my instructions carefully. Keep your textbook and notebook along with you to note down important points. If you have questions, so you can ask me at the end of the class by raising hands. Yesterday I taught you longitude and latitude. I'm going to take quick review of yesterday's teaching. First is globe. A globe is a picture of planet drawn on a sphere. It is like a scale model of the planet. The word globe comes from the Latin word globus, meaning round mass and sphere. Most globes are maps on the earth. A globe is a three-dimensional scale model of the earth. A globe is a spherical model means like a ball. Now the next is atlas. An atlas is a collection of books of maps of different political, physical, climate, and other. An atlas is a collection of maps. It is typically a bundle of maps of Earth or a region of Earth, in addition to presenting geographic features and the political boundaries. Now, further, next is topic is longitude. Longitude we have discussed yesterday. There is an imaginary line on the globe traveling from north to south are called lines of longitude. There are 360 lines in numbers. Longitude lines traveling from north to south, and these lines are 360 in numbers on the globe. It serves as the starting point of zero meridian, which is located at the Greenwich meridian of England. These lines are verticals. Now, the next is latitude. There is there is an imaginary line on the globe traveling from east to west are called lines of latitude. There are 180 lines in numbers. Latitude lines traveling from north to east to west lines are 180 in numbers on the globe. It serves 0 degree of equator. It is center point of equator. Now I'm going to start I'm going to start another I'm going to start my topic how spinning of earth can change the day and night. Allah says in Quran in the Surah of Rahman. The translation of ayat number 5 is सूरज और चांद एक हिसाबे मुकर्रर से चल रहे हैं. I'm repeating my translation again. सूरज और चांद एक हिसाबे मुकर्रर से चल रहे हैं. So now the topic is how Earth is spinning effect on the day and night. The Earth revolves around the Sun in a fixed orbit a journey that takes exactly 365.26 days to complete or as a known in the air. It also rotates around its own axis. The spinning of Earth around its own axis causes day and night. The explanation is that Earth's rotation is rotation around its own axis. The meaning of axis is an imaginary line about which a body rotates. I'm repeating my words. The meaning of axis is an imaginary line about which a body rotates. Earth rotates eastward in prograde motion. What is the meaning of the prograde motion? Is the planetary motion proceeding from east to west. I'm repeating the meaning of prograde is a planetary motion proceeding from west to east. The It takes 23.93 hours to complete one rotation. The Earth completes one full rotates every 24 hours. This is why the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. This motion creates day and night approximately every 12 hours. The Earth is spherical, and at any given time, the half facing the sun will be shined upon, while the other half will have no light. Places in the former will therefore experience day, while places in the latter will experience night. The Earth spins anticlockwise, as seen from space on the Earth being up. Now, the Earth Pole, the North Pole, also known as the geographic North Pole or terrestrial North Pole, is the point in the northern hemisphere where Earth's axis of rotation meets its surface. This point is distinct. What is the meaning of the distinct? Recognized region. I'm repeating my meaning of distinct is recognized nature from Earth's north magnetic pole. The North Pole, the South Pole is the other point where Earth's axis of rotation intersect. Do you know the meaning of the intersects? Cross or to cut. Cross or to cut. Its surface in Antarctica Earth rotates once in about 24 hours with respect to the Sun. Earth once every 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds with respect of other distinct stars. Earth rotation is slowing slightly with time. Thus, a day was shorter in the past. This is due to the tide effect. What is the meaning of the tide effect? Different gravitational forces. I'm repeating the meaning of tide effect is different gravitational forces the moon has on earth rotation. The cycle of night and day is continuous except near the north and south pole. If the earth axis was perpendicular to its orbital planet, all places on earth would experience equal amount of day and night, 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. However, the earth axis is actually tilted at an angle of 23.4. Now, further explanation is the moon has on earth rotation atomic clock show that atomic clock that a modern day in longer by about 1.7 milliseconds than a century ago, slowly increasing the rate at UTC is adjusted by leap second. Analysis of historical astronomical records shows a slowing trends the length of the day increased. Now, the next explanation, one question is that why we don't feel Earth's rotation according to the science. It should not come as a surprise to you that our planet with its atmosphere and everything on it is constantly spinning. What is the meaning of the spinning? Spinning means rotation or moving from in a circular motion. Now, I am going to explain further that this means that during the northern hemisphere in summer, the North Pole always faces the sun. So the sun doesn't set here, and for several weeks it is continuous daytime. At the same time, the South Pole faces away from the sun, southern hemisphere winter, and is in continuous night. What is I'm going to extend my explanation from the time, as we have seen the clock as usual for watching the time. We have two types of the timing. First is AM. What is the meaning of the AM? The complete form of AM is anti-meridian. The time is night 12 o'clock to 12 noon in a day. But further is PM, that is prime meridian, after 12 noon to till night 12 o'clock. Now the next explanation is tropic. What is the tropic? First of all, I am going to elaborate you the tropic. Tropic means the parallel of the latitude, 23.26 north Tropic of the Cancer or South Tropic of Capricorn of the equator. Now, the topic is Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer is the most northern latitude on the earth where the sun can appear directly. As you have seen over here, as you can see on the slide, the picture is given on it. You can easily watch from the slide. The where the sun appears directly, it is called the Tropic of the Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer, which is also referred to as the Northern Tropic, is the most northerly circle of latitude on Earth, at which the sun can be directly overhead. Solstice. Solstice. What is the meaning of the solstice? Two times of the year, like summer and winter. I'm repeating the meaning of the solstice. Two times of the year, like summer, winter, when northern hemisphere is tilt. What is the meaning of the tilt? Move or cause to move into sloping position. I'm repeating the meaning of the tilt is move or cause to move into the sloping position towards the sun to its maximum extent. Its southern hemisphere counterpart, making the most southerly position at which the sun can be directly overhead, is the Tropic of Capricorn. These tropics are two of the five major circles of latitude that mark maps of the earth, the other being the Arctic and the Antarctic circle and the equator. The position of these two circles of latitude relative to the equator are dictated by the tilt of Earth's axis of rotation relative to the planet or its orbit. What is the meaning of the orbit? The curved path of celestial object like moon, star, etc. I'm repeating the meaning of orbit is the curved path of celestial object, moon, star, etc. Until change, the location of these two circles also changes. Now, come on another topic, that is Tropic of Capricorn. The Tropic of Capricorn. The Tropic of The Tropic of Capricorn is Southern Tropic is the southernmost latitude where the sun can be seen directly overhead. Its northern equivalent is the Tropic of the Cancer. The picture is showing on the screen. The Tropic of Capricorn or the Southern Tropic is the circle of latitude that contains the subsolar point at the December or southern solstice. It is thus the southernmost latitude where where the sun can be where the sun can be seen directly overhead. Its northern equivalent is the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn is one of the five major circles of latitude marked on the maps of Earth. It is currently south of the equator, but it is very gradually. Gradually means uh, leveling, moving northward currently at the rate of 0.47 arc seconds. Angular measurement of 15 meters per year. Less than 3% of the world population lives south of it. This is equivalent to about 30% of the population of the southern hemisphere. The Tropic of the Capricorn passes through a number of the countries including Argentina, Botswana, Brazil, Chile, and other countries. Now, I'm repeating my today's thing. That is, first is we have discussed about the spinning of the earth. Spinning of the earth revolving. Earth rotation is the rotation around its own axis, an imaginary line about which is body rotate. Earth rotate eastward in prograde motion, a planetary motion proceeding from west to east. And the Earth revolves around the Sun in a fixed orbit, a journey that takes exactly 365 days to complete, or as we know, in a year. It also rotates around its own axis. The cycle of night and day is continuous except near the North or South Pole. The next is Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer is, which is also referred to also the Tropic of Capricorn. The Tropic of Cancer is the most northern latitude on the earth where the sun can be appeared directly overhead. And this is where the sun can appear the overhead. Obviously, that portion of the earth is overheated. Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn, the southern tropic, is the southernmost latitude where the sun can be seen directly overhead. Its northern equivalent in the Tropic of the Cancer. Now, I'm going to, dear students, kindly understand these graph of longitude of latitude. Longitude and latitude because it is a practice work of your for your better understanding. The same exercise is given in your book, page number 33. The upgoing the upgoing of this line is called, which comes from north to south. These are longitude. These are longitude. As we have discussed today and yesterday, the vertical lines are called the lines of longitude, and it's traveling from north to south. And the horizontal line which travels from east to west is called the lines of the latitude, and which is exist on the graph, which comes from north to south. These are longitude and horizontal lines passing. So here the graph or the number of the graphs are starting from the bottom in the north, in the line of the north, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And same numbers are here in the axis of the eastward. And horizontal line is, we already know, that is the latitude lines. And same numbers are present in the axis of the line of the east. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. These are the numbers. These are imaginative numbers that you can understand the all the things, the longitude and latitude lines. From the line of the 3 and 4, the location, exact location, 3 degree of north and 4 degree of east. That is the exact location of KPK. KPK stand for, it is a province name, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Now the next is 5 degree of axis, 5 degree of north and 13 degree, 5 degree of north and 13 degree of 5 degree of north and 13 degree of east. The location of the city is Lahore, and Lahore city is located in the province in the Punjab. Now the next is 6 degree of north. Have you seen that? You can you just keenly observe these points which I am pointing by the arrow. 6 degree of north and 8 degree of east, Quetta, and 8 degree of north, and the last is and the place of Quetta, and the last is 8 degree of north and 12 degree of east. The place is located is Multan. Now I'm repeating again this. This is the graph, by, and it is the practice work for your better understanding. That same exercise is given in the page number 33 on your book, in your book. So the axis of the north, that is upgoing verse, numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the numbers. And now the eastward axis numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. I'm repeating again the degrees for your better understanding. 3 degree north and 4 degree east. 3 degree north. I'm talking about the 3 degree north. North. What is your understanding when I'm talking about the 3 degree north? It is the longitude, and 4 degree east, and it is the latitude. And the location is KPK. 5 degree of north and 13 degree of east. 5 degree of north is the location of longitude, and 30 degree of east is the location of latitude. And the place is given on this location is Lahore. 6 degree of north and 8 degree of east, and the location is Quetta. 6 degree north is obviously that is longitude, and 8 degree of east, that is latitude, and the place is Quetta. 8 degree of north, that is longitude, and 12 degree of east is latitude, and location is Multan. Now I I just hope you just better understanding of these of this graph, better understanding, and I hope you will do your book work that is given on page number 33. And now come on the differences of globe and atlas, which I have discussed yesterday. What is the main difference of globe and atlas? What is the main difference of globe and atlas? The main difference of globe is the globe is three-dimensional. The globe is a The globe is a three-dimensional place, and it is the model. An atlas is a collection of books of maps. So it is map is a collection of books. Different type. Their atlas has a different type of the map, like physical maps, political map, geographic maps, and it can also shows the different type of the features in detail. And next is topic of atlas and globe. We have discussed about. Now I'm going to show the answers of yesterday's exercises which you have done. First of all, I'm going to share the first book page number 32. First book page number 32. The blanks are given on this page. I just want to share the answers of all blanks. I'm going to read all the blanks in order to better understand the answers of the blanks. The lines of longitude on globe are, the correct answer is from the MCQs, that is 360 in numbers, and it is also showing on the screen, on the slide. You can easily take the screenshot. Each meridian is equal to 1 degree. Now the third blank is lines of longitude join at poles. The latitude, now the fourth is the latitude on a globe form complete circles. Now fifth is the prime meridian serves as the starting point for measuring longitude. The starting point for latitude is equator. So first, the answer of the first blank is 360. The second is 1 degree. The third is poles. Fourth is circles. Fifth is longitude. And sixth is equator. Now, come on the next book page number, which we have already discussed about the graph that is given on the page number 33 in your book. We have already shared the practice work. In this way, you can easily understand the whole graph work that is given in your book, page number 33. Look at that. The question is that look at the figure, mark the points where these imaginary places are located. Kohar, 24.3 degree north and 68 degree east. And the place name is, that is exercise number C. 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 In present, Kohar, Mongola, Sun City, and Funland. By by using the practice work, you just do this one work in your book. Now, come on the next one exercise that is section D, exercise number 1. You know lines of longitude. The question is given in your book, that is you know lines of longitude and latitude help us to find a place on the globe or in an atlas. Look at a globe or an atlas and find out which cities of Pakistan's are at these references. The first is 31 degree north and 74 degree east. The place is Chennai. The 33 degree 33.42 degree north and 73 degree east, Chakwal. That is Chakwal. Now the third is 30 degree north and 67 degree east, Quetta. 25 degree north and 68 degree east, that is Curly Lake. So this is your all exercises. Now the section D answers that are 26 degree north and 63 degree east. Now second is 27.7 degree north, 69 degree east, 30 degree north and 71.4 degree east. 30 degree north and 71.4 degree east. 35.8 degree north and 71.8 degree east. You just take the screenshot for better understanding or for doing the book work. Okay. So now I'm going to give you the home tasks and you just take the screenshot of home tasks. Difference between the atlas and the globe. How can we find place in an atlas? And the challenging questions. Yesterday, one question is asking me the challenging question, how the lines of latitude and longitude are beneficial for us. Write 4 points. So this is the lecture and I'm going to wind up my all the lecture. Allah Hafiz.